Well, I hate to be partial, but this Winnebago Access has got to be one of my favorites. The floor plan, just what you get for the money. It looks good. Let's go through it a little bit. So it's got a TPO roof, heated and closed underbelly, electric stabilizer jacks. So the jacks right here, you got 2 motors in the front, 2 in the back. Really easy to use. 50 amp service. Look, it's even heated. You see that little guy right there? So it's heated inside here. It's got solar on the roof. So this aluminum on the outside is thicker, more UV protectant. You got hot and cold water shower right here. Spare tire on the back. It's camera prepped and ladder prepped. We sell both here if you'd like. It's got a 2-inch receiver hitch that's rated for like 300 pounds. Like I said, 50 amp service. Wait for the truck to go by over here because we're right on Main Avenue. But you got hookups for your water and your satellite cable. Your dump station's down here. 6-gallon DSI water heater. And then you have a little bit more storage back here. Let me unlock that for you. There we go. So it just stays up with magnets, which is really cool. And you have this storage area right in here. It's not a ton, but anywhere Winnebago can give you storage, they do it, which is really slick. You can see how nice that aluminum looks. And then it is a pass-through storage, so you got it on both sides. It's solar on the roof, but then there's extra solar on the side. If you wanted to add extra, you could even add extra on the roof. It's got a little spot here for your plug. Just goes right in there. Pretty slick. Hard to do while I'm holding the camera, but let's go on the inside. We're going to look at some of the stuff there. 25 ml. What a great floor plan. Look at this. Watch. So when you come in, it's got a huge slide, so it gives you a lot of space. You can see in my pictures how nice and big it gets. So recliners there. 12-volt fridge. So costs less than a gas electric. It's bigger and it cools faster. Nice little kitchen area with a lot of storage. Look, you got plug-ins back here and you can put all kinds of stuff. Oh man, I'll tell you just. And then this side of the kitchen is your sink. More storage. More above there. Missing the microwave because we needed to take care of a customer real quick. So I have that on order. It should be back here in a couple days, but we take care of our customers as soon as we can when they buy from us. If they have an issue, microwaves don't go bad real often, but hey, when it does, we're here for you. So it's got skylight, a fan right there in the bathroom, more storage below, porcelain foot flush toilet. It's a nice big shower with a shower surround. And then you got a working medicine cabinet over here with shelving, even right down to the hinges. They use good hinges, not cheapo hinges. And then I like to call this a pantry because it's kind of near the kitchen here. You got huge storage there, one with a shelf in here, and then a couple more drawers down there. More storage under the dinette. That does make into a bed. Comes with the TV up there with even more storage. More right there. Huge window. They put a window pretty much on every wall. So you got there, there. One on the side, one in the back. So no matter where you're at in this camper, you can see outside. Then we'll get over to the bedroom. And there's hanging storage on each side of the bed. It's a 60 by 80 residential queen walk around bed. Now you can see what they did there. Nice spot for your glasses, CPAPs, plug-ins, charging area. A shelf up here for other stuff that you might have. And there's a spot right there on the wall with a backer for an extra TV. Ducted air conditioner inside here. What a slick little setup. I just love it. And then you can see it also has gas and electric water heater and heated tank pads. So you got 12-volt heated tank pads underneath. So you get a little bit longer season. You got basically earlier spring, later fall that you could stay out. So if you like this setup like I do, it's a solid camper for a great price. I mean, we just price everything really good here. All your standards, like on the website, are listed here. And then the options that we added, the smart TV, some other stuff. So come out, let me know what you think. Thank you.